What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today for you I have a keto video for all the newbies out there that don't know what to eat, don't know what snacks you can have or that you might like or not like. I'm here for you guys. I got you. I have my favorite snacks that I cannot be without, whether I'm at home or going out. These are my favorite snacks. If you haven't already, join the family, subscribe to my channel, hit that button down below and become part of the family. I would love to have you guys. All right, so let's get into these snacks that I can't live without and you will be glad I gave you. Strawberries are my favorite. These are one of the fruits that you can have a decent amount of, not too many, but especially if they're huge like this, you can have maybe 3, and that's pretty good. They're very satisfying. And lunch meat, guys, lunch meat is so easy to just stick in a Ziploc bag and take with you. Eat it with crackers or low carb tortilla shells. These are really good too. These ones have 3 carbs in them. That's not bad at all when you're trying to get a nice meal or just a snack in. 2 very good staples, at least for me. Another one is carrots. These ones are super simple to take with you as well, along with a little bit of ranch. Clearly, I am out, guys. Clearly, I eat it too much. So, carrots are very good because they have vitamin A, but these also have more vitamins in them as well, because you should still be getting your fruits and vegetables. And even though it's keto and keto is mostly protein and fats, you have to get your vegetables into. And carrots are very low in carbs as well. And plus I can eat these and share them with Cookie. She loves to eat carrots too. Obviously, she's a bunny. For you, I have a Think Bar peanut butter. Creamy peanut butter. This one is my absolute favorite out of, I think they have 6 for this size. This one is kind of carby more than their other protein bars that you can find out there, but I found that this one tastes the best and it's peanut butter. So when you get that craving, peanut butter and chocolate, this is your go-to. Alright, so this is another one. They are the Wisconsin turkey sticks, so basically like beef jerky, but made out of turkey. They sell these at Walmart. I did get this pack from Amazon. I will put the link below so you can get them. I think they were about $13, but you get quite a few of them. I've had this for almost 2 weeks now and I still haven't finished all of them. I have probably 1 or 2 a day, and they have a good amount of sodium. In keto, you need to keep your electrolytes up, because if you get an electrolyte imbalance, you could possibly faint, which I have done before. You do need to get your sodium in. So this is a great way, along with getting protein for your keto diet, and they taste pretty freaking good. My last 2 that I have are cheese and drop biscuits. So for the cheese, it's just the personal size, little snack size cheeses. These are actually my boyfriend's and I tend to eat most of them, so he gets kind of mad at me, but he's nice enough to share. So these really do help too, especially for those when you get really hungry or you're just breaking your fast. You want to break it with some type of fat, and cheese is perfect for that. These literally have 1 carb per snack size, so that's perfect. Why not? 1 carb is nothing. And the drop biscuits, you're saying, oh my god, these are carbs. No. Each biscuit is only 2 net carbs, guys. You have to use the Carb Quick to make these. They're really simple. These are actually sweet biscuits. I just added a little bit of Lakanto sweetener in them to make them a little bit sweeter. But just use Carb Quick and you'll be fine. A biscuit is 2 net carbs. You could add almost whatever you want to them. They're very good. This is the box that comes in that you need to look for. It's like Bisquick, but for keto people, or people that are doing low carb, or diabetics, or anybody that needs to have very little carbs. I'll also link the description, I'll link this below in the description box. I got it from Amazon as well. I love this. You can make so many recipes too. They have. Guys, that's all I have for you today, along with making those brownies. I hope you like them. I'll link that in the description below as well. You can find everything that I have in the description below. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please let me know. If there's anything else you guys want to see from me regarding keto or what I eat, or, you know, anything, just let me know. I'll see you guys later. I love you so much. I'm out. Bye.